These are the Google Meet features you can use as a host using your education account. Click the host control icon. When quick access is turned off, you have to admit all participants manually. When turned on, all participants that use their education account connected to your organization will be automatically admitted. You can also allow or disallow participants from sharing their screen or sending messages in the chat box. A new added feature is the Mute All button. Click the people icon. As a host, you can now mute all participants if it's needed to do so. Be sure to check out these features when you host your own Google Meet using your education account. Here are other related Google Meet videos to watch. See you there!